Imagine this. You sit down to work at 9 a.m., feeling ready to conquer the world. But by 2 p.m., your brain feels like it's running on dial-up internet from 1999. You're staring at a spreadsheet, reading the same sentence 3 times, and suddenly it's 2 hours later, and you've just spent 47 minutes reading about why pigeons bob their heads when they walk. We tell ourselves we're lazy. We tell ourselves we lack discipline. But here is the truth. Your brain isn't broken. Your schedule is. Most people treat their energy like a flat line, as if you're a machine that can run at 100% capacity from 9 to 5. But biology isn't a factory. It's a wave. And trying to do deep work during your biological crash period is like trying to drive a car with the handbrake pulled up. Today, we are deleting time management. It's a scam. Instead, we are installing a new operating system called the Biological Prime Time Protocol. By the end of this video, you won't just manage your time. You will hack your biology to do 4 hours of work in 90 minutes. And honestly, it feels illegal. First, we need to look at the hardware. You might know about circadian rhythms, that 24-hour cycle that controls your sleep. But there is a smaller secret cycle that dictates your focus. These are called Ultradian Rhythms. Just like your sleep has 90-minute cycles where you move from light sleep to deep sleep, your waking brain does the exact same thing. You have approximately 90 minutes of high-frequency brain activity, followed by a 20-minute trough where your brain needs to reboot. But what do? We push through. We drink a Red Bull. We scroll TikTok while working. We try to force our brain to focus when it's literally begging for a system reset. This is why you feel burnt out. Dr. Tishi Yamamoto, a wise character from a story about discipline, once said, "You cannot win a 40-year war in a 2-month battle. Similarly, you cannot win a productivity war against millions of years of evolution. So, we're going to stop fighting the river and learn to swim with it." Here is the step-by-step protocol to find your biological prime time. Step 1 is the energy audit. You need to become a sniper, not a machine gunner. For the next 3 days, I want you to rate your energy every hour from 1 to 10. You will notice a pattern. For some of you, your brain is a Ferrari at 10 a.m. For others, you are a zombie until 6 p.m. Once you find that 2-hour window where you feel naturally sharp, protect it like it's your crypto wallet. This is your biological prime time. During this window, you go cave mode. Phone in another room, no email, no just checking Slack. This is where you do the task that scares you the most. Step 2 is the Ultradian Sprint. Now, we structure the work. We are going to use the block, lock, execute method. Set a timer for 90 minutes, not 4 hours. 90 minutes. Why 90? Because that is the limit of your attentional bandwidth before your brain chemistry starts to dip. It's like entering the matrix. You aren't multitasking. You are dodging bullets of distraction for one single cycle. But here is the catch. When that timer hits 0, you must stop. Step 3 is the active reboot. This is where 99% of people fail. When your energy dips, your brain behaves like a spoiled child. It wants dopamine. It wants sugar. It wants to doom scroll Instagram. If you give it your phone, you are not resting. You are overstimulating a tired brain. You are blasting a blown-out speaker with more volume. Instead, you need to let the mud in the mind settle. Go outside. Get sunlight to reset your mood. Do 20 push-ups to spike noradrenaline. It sounds boring. It feels uncomfortable. But 20 minutes of real boredom will recharge your battery faster than 2 hours of TikTok. Now, I know what you're thinking. I can't do this. My boss controls my schedule. I have kids. I get it. We can't always control when we work. But we can control how we label ourselves. Stop saying I am a procrastinator. Words are spells. If you say I need to focus, your brain hears I am not focused. Instead, adopt the identity of an energy manager. An energy manager doesn't try to be perfect. They accept that energy fluctuates. They embrace the concept of wabi-sabi, finding beauty in imperfection. If you miss your prime time today, you don't quit. You don't spiral. You just reset. This is the Kaizen philosophy. Continuous improvement through microscopic changes. You aren't trying to change your whole life overnight. You are just trying to match your hardest work to your best energy, 1% better every day. Here is your mission, should you choose to accept it. Tomorrow morning, do not touch your phone for the first 30 minutes. Step outside, get some light, and ask yourself, when am I sharpest? Once you find that window, I want you to make a public declaration. We know from behavioral science that public commitment kills the urge to quit. I want you to comment your biological prime time. Is it 8 a.m.? Is it 10 p.m.? Write it down. By writing it, you turn an idea into a commitment. Stop managing time. Start managing energy. You aren't lazy. You just need to update your system.